Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to download and install any Linux distribution on your computer. First, you just need to go to this website. In order to get this software you need boot in. Just make you sure about your operating system. If you have Windows or Linux or Mac OS. For my case, I have Windows 10, so I already did it, but I click on this box in order to get this software for Windows. After downloaded it, you can run it. You can see this software is very easy to use because you have only two possibilities. You can use internet in order to get your Linux distribution. For example, I want to choose Ubuntu and a live version with x64. Just here. This option will allows us to download directly this distribution on your computer and install it on your USB drive. If you want to choose the second option, you just need to have an ISO disk on your computer and open it just here. After your choice for the first one or the second one, both are correct for the following steps anyway. Just make you sure about the type is USB drive and about the location just here. If you are not sure about your USB slot, just click on this PC and check this later just here. For my case, I have the D slot for my USB key. So when you are ready, I just want to warn you because it's very important. When you will click just here, everything on your USB key will be deleted. So if you have some important files on your USB key, just make a backup in order to save them somewhere. So just click here and everything will be done on your USB key. If you have Windows 10 and you want to boot on your USB key, just click on the Windows button just here, settings, update and security, recovery, restart now. After clicking on this button, your computer will restart and offer us some options like booting on USB drive, and you need to choose that. After that, your USB key will boot on your PC and your Linux distribution will be running on your computer. That's it for my tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. Feel free to comment this video and make some offer about the next videos if you have some ideas about that. Um, so, see you next time.